New DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 is launched yesterday, and it will claim that we are competing with Cloud Opus 4.8, and benchmark also reflect that it will like similar with Opus. Today we are going to test it for free, where new DeepSeek V4 Flash is now available in OpenCode for free. In this latest release benchmark, DeepSeek V4 Flash performance is far better than its previous release, where it will directly competing with Opus 4.8. In most of the benchmark, it will already beat GLM 5.2. Then we are going to test it. Does it will only beat in benchmark, or does it beat in the real case scenario? And I will show you how you can use it inside your Visual Studio Code. First, choose your favorite browser and start OpenCode official website. This is the official website of OpenCode. If you want to use it in CLI and desktop, you can also achieve it, but in today's video I will show you how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. After you have landed it here, go to this Gen section, get started with Gen. If you are using it for the first time, then you need to create your account. This is the list of available model. Among them, some of the model are free. Instead of finding free model here, I will show you inside OpenCode. Okay, then go to the API key section, create your new API key, give any name. I want to give DeepSeek free is my API key name. Copy. Now open your Visual Studio Code, go to the extension section, search for OpenCode extension. Through this extension, we are going to access this newly launched DeepSeek V4 Flash. I have already mentioned that if you want, you can use it inside your terminal, and OpenCode is also available in a desktop. After you have installed, it will be reflected here in right top corner. Open it. If you are using it for the first time, it will take a little bit time to open. /connect. OpenCode Gen provider will be reflected at the top. Select it and copy your API key that you have generated in OpenCode.ai platform and paste it here in API key section. Press enter. Then you are ready to use this newly launched DeepSeek V4 Flash. You can see this is the newly launched DeepSeek V4 Flash. Okay, in name itself mention that this is the new high. First I'm going to test does it work or not. Okay, it is perfectly working and response quick as well. I'm going to close this extension section. Now first I'm going to open my VS Code inside one folder. Again I'm going to start this OpenCode extension here. Now I'm going to test it. First I'm going to build one SaaS landing page. Starting from simple, I'm going to move forward to the complex. If you think why you are testing from this simple prompt, what kind of SaaS product should the landing page be for? AI productivity SaaS, okay, plain HTML CSS, okay, product type tech stack, confirm. I'm sure that it will build one SaaS landing page, but the testing point here is, does it identify from a single line of prompt? Which type of landing page does it create? It will ask a question, which type of landing page do you create? I have give AI productivity SaaS landing page using HTML, CSS and JS. But there are different type of AI productivity. How they understand which type of landing page does it create? This is the things that I want to test. That's why I'll give simple prompt. Before that, I'll mention one thing. This is not a token. Some of you may confuse. This is not a token. This is the context window token. If you close this and open it again, it will start from 0%. Keep in mind, you will directly comment it out. From one SaaS landing page, it will take 10% of your token. It will be not useful. That's why I will mention it. Okay, I think it will build one awesome landing page that I feel. Okay, good. Each and everything will be included here. Ready to get your time back. Start free. Navigation is also working. Feature, how is it work? Customer, pricing, login, everything. Navigation is also working. Okay, I'll give it 8 out of 10. From single line of prompt, it will create this type of landing page. Now I'm going to move little bit complex than this task. Before that, I'm going to remove this code because it will take little bit time to read this code. Instead of that, it will read empty file faster. Again, I'm going to build one simple game, but this is complex than SaaS landing page. It will require logic and graphic. Can you build a one space shooter game in single HTML file? Okay, now it will preparing to write the code. You everyone know that DeepSeek is a Chinese model and it is totally open source model. If you want, you can run it locally as well. If you clone its repo and run it locally, then it is totally free. But to run it locally, you need a one powerful device. Now it will completed it. It will create space shooter game in separate file. Let's save it and I'm going to run it again. I think it will run on empty HTML file. That's why I'm going to copy it and paste it here in HTML and I'm going to save it. I'm going to restart it. Yes, working. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, it is working perfectly and it will build one awesome game. Web3 reach game over. This is the power of new DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is free, where OpenCode provide you a decent amount of token. If you code 2-3 hours a day, then it will provide enough token for you. If you think this is the token, then I'm going to terminate this OpenCode from here. Again, I'm going to open it. Hi. Again it will start from 4%. Every time it will start from 4%. This is the context token. I'm going to wrap up this video here. If you think some complex project need to be tested during video, then comment down below which type of project do you want. Then I'm going to test this project in my upcoming video. Okay, bye bye, happy coding. We'll meet you on the next video.